Hello learners. So I am in pattern 10. Pattern 10 is says if n value is 5, so pattern 10 is says if n value is 5, so is print 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, here a type of diamond or called whole diamond. Basically this is not whole diamond, but we say whole diamond. Okay, so print this pattern in pattern 10. Here we want build logic, count space. Here 2 space 1 star, 1 space 2 star and 1 space here, then again star and 1 2 3 space and be 1 space 1 star, 1 space 1 star, here 2 space star. Okay, if here we divide this spaces inner and outer space, outer space, outer space, inner space and count star. Okay, so first two outer space, not inner, only 1 star, and here 1 outer 1 inner and 2 star, and here 3 inner and 2 star, and here also 2 star and 1 inner 1 outer, and here 2 outer space and 1 star. Okay, so this type of value printed logic built. So I try to build logic for this say. Okay, I remove this. Okay, so see here take input as outer space initialize n by 2. Here outer space is value is 5 and 2 space, so n by 2 is 2. Okay, and here one again inner space is initialized with -1. Okay, so after this initialization we use a for loop, is simple previous questions. Int I equal to here 1 and I is less than equal to n and I plus plus, simple. Here SOP ln for next line, and here use for loop. First we print outer space. Okay, so for outer space we print first use int j equal to 1 and j is less than equal to here outer space. Okay, this time print outer space time. Okay, so here j plus plus and SOP, those print only space. Okay, and close this, and then our star value. So here print SOP, print star, after outer every outer print star. Okay, so print star value. After this star value you need internal space. So for internal space use for int j equal to initialize with 1 and j is less than equal to internal space and j plus plus. Okay, or here also system dot out dot print internal space. Okay, and close this, and after close this we build the logic. Here see here it is increased by 1 and here decrease by 1, here increase by 1, and here it is decrease by 1 and here increase by 1. It is plus 2 and it is minus 2. So for this here for this build logic, here other Okay, so here we if okay, so again if here I is less than n and one is n is greater than 1. Okay, here if so print star again okay, and after this build the logic for our question. Here if I is less than n by 2, so here what perform, here outer space is minus minus and internal space is equal to internal space plus 2. Okay, else here outer space plus plus here this semicolon, so internal space equal to internal space minus 2. Okay, so here basically close this and close this for loop, close this for loop, this for loop close already, this close already, this for loop is closed, and close our main, close our class. Okay, so complete this code for print star. So here draw run is here draw run is, for example if n value is take 5. Okay, so for n value is 5, here outer space n by 2 is 2 and here minus 1 and here I is equal to 1, so 1 is less than equal to n value is 5, n value is 5. Okay, satisfy, then j equal to 1. Okay, less than equal to outer space is 2, yes, so here print 2 space 1, 2 space, and after this condition is not, then print condition print star. Okay, print star, and after this star this for loop is calculated. Here j equal to 1. Okay, less than equal to minus 1 internal, this is not work. Okay, because minus 1 is also less than 1. Okay, so after this here condition check, if I value, what is I value, here I value is 1, less than 5, yes, less than 5, and n value is 5 is greater than 1, was greater than 1. Okay, sorry, here I value is greater than 1 and n value is condition, I value is greater than, sorry, this condition is, here I value is greater than n here. Okay, so here condition is I is less than I value here 1 is greater than 1, condition is false, don't run this. Here I is less than equal to n by 2, I is 1, less than equal to 2, condition right. OS here decrease by 1, here 1, and here is this increase by 2, so here 1. Okay, minus 1 plus 2 equal to 1. Okay, so here 1 space, because here OS value is 1 space print star. Okay, print star, here value is 1, so here this for loop value j equal to 1 and is value is 1 is run, yes, is run one time. Okay, after this after this here I value is 2 is greater than 1, condition satisfied. I value 2 is less than n, condition satisfied. Print star. Okay, print star. After this, if n I value is 2 is less than 2, no, here condition is, then this loop is run one by one. Then again here print star, here space, here print star, and again here print star, here print star, here print star. So I remove this. After removing this, we got our target code. Okay, I hope understand everyone this code. Okay, thank you so much.